Oh, I got this from a friend. It's a Coleman BT200X Coleman mini bike. We got it for, guess how much?
How much?
Big old fat goose egg. Now.
You give a goose egg for it?
No. In other words, $0.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, we gotta put a motor in it. Gotta get a bunch of other stuff. Chain, clutch, all that stuff. Brake cables, throttle cable. Yeah. A little bit of work, but when we get it going, it'll be good.
How good?
Like, good enough that he might be able to do wheelies on it.
You mean me?
Yep, you.
What kind of motor we gonna get?
We're gonna get a Predator Hemi head. Oh yeah.
From the Harbor Freight?
Yep.
Heck yeah. I might even be able to do a wheelie on it. Now I guess go to Harbor Freight.
Yep.
Look for an engine.
Alrighty.
Not a motor. Motor's electric.
Mm-hmm.
Engine runs off combustion.
You're on the highway right now. Oh yeah. Have it.
Hobo Freight, here we come.
We're getting closer.
Harbor. Motor time.
Oh yeah.
What?
Oh yeah. Alright, so we went to Harbor Freight and they had motors. So we're like, okay, well, we'll just get a motor. And then we got talking to this nice guy and he was like, well, do you already have a motor for it? And we're like, yeah, and the carburetor's bad. And we're just like, well, we're just going to get a whole new motor. And he's like, well, why would you do that if you can save a bunch of money and go get a carburetor for it for about $20. So we had this motor. Hold on.
Found in the back of the truck.
Yeah, we found it in the back of the truck. You have to go watch a YouTube video. So we got it, brought it up here, and yeah, so there it is. So basically what we're going to do, instead of getting a whole new motor, is just
Maybe do the budget. Maybe a budget build on this one. We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see. But that motor does run.
Yeah.
So
go.
This motor's been sitting for about a year. Well, over a year since the last time we filmed it, I think. Got to go back on the YouTube and see. But without further ado, let's see if she'll crank again. Maybe. We're off or on. I can't remember.
Oh yeah.
She runs. And she runs quite well. Now we got to get a carburetor on that. That was old. In with the new.
Go.
Alright, YouTube. I got the little boy here. Surprise. Already got him a new motor. Yep. Brand new. I'm going to let him discover it here in a minute. Well, my plan was foiled.
Okay, so first of all, what I did is I didn't see it. So I went like this, and I'm like, well, I see the phone there, and there's no black chair here, so I looked in the back, and I'm like, well, I mean, thank you.
You're welcome. Plan didn't work. Yeah, well.